In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slack, features you aren't using but need to be. Start by heading to Slack's website. You can sign up with your email or, if you've already been invited, log into the workspace from your invite. Once you're in, either create a new workspace for your team or join an existing one. Take a moment to set up your profile with a clear name and photo. This helps teammates recognize you at a glance and makes mentions in search more reliable. If you prefer a smoother experience, install the desktop or mobile app. They offer faster notifications, better multitasking, and offline access. You can always switch between web and app without losing your place. Let's get oriented. The main navigation lives on the left. It's your control center for home, channels, direct messages, and apps. Think of it as your command panel where you can quickly jump into conversations or find what needs your attention. Channels are where most work happens. They're organized spaces for topics or teams like marketing, product, or announcements. Join the channels that matter to you and keep discussions in the right place so information stays searchable for everyone. Keep sensitive topics in private channels if needed. Direct messages are for private chats with individuals or small groups. Use them for quick check ins or when something isn't meant for a broader audience. For decisions or updates that others might need later, prefer channels so the history is available. Your home view is your personal hub. It surfaces recent activity, saved items, and reminders. Save messages you want to revisit and set reminders so Slack nudges you at the right time. At the top, the search bar is powerful. Find messages, files, and people quickly. Filter by person or channel to narrow results and get to what you need faster. Up in the top right, your profile picture opens status, notifications, and settings. Set a status like in a meeting and use Do Not Disturb to pause alerts when you need focus. Open a channel and type at the bottom to send a message. Use the formatting tools for clarity and consider scheduling a message to send later if timing matters. To get someone's attention, type the @ symbol followed by their name. Use mentions intentionally to avoid spamming people. Keep conversations tidy with threads. Reply directly to a message so context stays attached, and follow threads you care about. Use emoji reactions to acknowledge quickly, great for approvals or check ins without adding noise. Sharing files is simple, drag and drop, or use the plus button, then add context so teammates know what they're seeing. For quick collaboration, start a huddle in any channel or DM. Hop into audio or video, share your screen, and get decisions made fast. That's it. With these essentials, you'll work smarter in Slack and surface the features that make teamwork clearer and faster.